Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher, and I'm an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database ERIC USED. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with letter tabs at the top and by subject on the right. ERIC USED begins with the letter E, so I'll go ahead and click the letter E tab. Once I find my database, I'll click on its name. The database features a main box to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about girls in STEM, you simply put each term or each concept in the box. Now that I've typed in my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will show you a list of its contents that contain the terms you searched for. To access any article, click on its title. You'll be taken to the article record. This section provides author listings and publication information, as well as descriptors and an abstract. To view the PDF of the article, click the Download Full Text link on the right side of your screen. This has been a brief tutorial in using ERIC USED. If you need further assistance, please browse the related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.